Well, day 20 of the harvest log. It's August the 7th and today is Farm 24, organised by Farmers Guardian and sponsored by Morrison. So thank you very much for that. The aim is to raise awareness of British agriculture and the job that farmers are doing over a 24-hour period in August. So here at Overbree we are combining it is just sort of drizzling and mizzling with rain a little bit at the moment. We are right on the top of the hill, we can't get any higher up than this. We are about 1,000 feet up. There is the stone tower, those of you that know Breeden Hill. This is Laloo. It's quite a stony field, quite a few outcrops of stone up here. We've got yields of kind of 6, 7s in this part of the field, and then when we go into these sort of hollows where we've got a bit more soil, a bit more moisture that's been conserved, we are getting up sort of 10, 11. So who knows what it's going to average, we'll find out a bit later on. The crop is a bit thin, it's after oilseed rape. We had quite a problem with slugs last autumn, 2 very wet years, so they did thin the stand out a little bit, which in hindsight that might not have been such a bad thing. Less competition for moisture, so got to have a bit of a positive spin on things. These little fallow plots here are for skylarks. They're sort of skylark landing zones, away from tram lines, away from the headland, to keeping away from predators, things like badgers that will very happily scoff a skylark on its nest. So we do our best to move those into the middle of the field. Again, those are options that are not going to be supported next year as we stand here at the moment in terms of stewardship funding going forward. A little patch of black grass just here. Look, we'll have to make a bit of a note of that. Here's some of the stones that we have here. And this is where the Flex Draper Macdon really comes into its own. You could just watch it kind of bobbling along, literally just bouncing and skipping over the top of the stones. So yeah, Farm 24, we have had a few contributions on there today. There's a bit on TikTok as well. We've got the drill going in that field just over there. That's after the spring barley. There is just evidence of some moisture. I don't think we're going to get much to top it up today though, looking over that way. A little bit of moisture about just to get things going, and hopefully that will strike and germinate before it needs too much more moisture. It will here again, that will get away. So yeah, well done to Farmers Guardian, Morrison's. Thank you for your support of the industry. Long may it continue. We are swathing this again, so we've got somebody coming to bale this. Hopefully tomorrow it doesn't get too wet today. It's a lovely swath actually behind the combine, not mashed up at all. Really, for a rotary combine, doing a really good job. So let's hope it doesn't get too wet and we can get this baled and carted off the field, ready for another cover crop going in here. This is going into spring barley next year, so we'll have a cover crop on here that we can graze, kind of buckwheat, Berseem clover, vetches, a few stubble turnips, a bit of linseed, some fodder radish, and some sunflowers. So hopefully capture a bit of carbon, feed the soil, feed the sheep, and that's everything on Farm 24.